cute. What you gonna do with it? He's nibbling, huh?
Just a nibbling.
Are you ready?
Blappo!
Woo! I got him. First time. Yeah, a little piece left. Okay, what next? I do better with a smaller snowball, I think. Okay. Oh, look at, they're making a snowman too.
Cool.
How neat. Okay, you ready? You got me and I did you. Ow. Almost. You're just lucky I don't throw good at all. Almost. Yes! Okay, snowman down. Snowman down. Look out, kid. I'm over here now. You want to come down? You come down here, not down the steps, okay? But being up there is a little better advantage. This is perfect snow. Yeah, I'm too old to build a snowboard. Really fun.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm a grandma. Completely different things. Hey, that was excellent. He got me. Right there.
Because I'm a good thrower or something.
Yeah, I think he is. You getting snow up his arm?
Nope. That's us.
One of these days. Good job. Right between your legs. You just fighting it. Look at that. That was excellent. Thumbs up. Even with a cold, he's wonderful.
I have to agree.
That's incredible. You could have hit somebody.
Ah!
Oh, no.
You got me!
Not the cameraman.
You got me, little dude. Careful, not the camera. Whoa! Whoa!
Oh, I got to
Kick grandma, dude. Whoa!
I can't
the camera. Waiting for his knees.
Stop, dude. Whoop.
Oh, wow, look at that. Made it turn over to my hand.
Good job.
Good job. I never hit you. How could a little woman do that? I guess not. Okay, your turn. Ah! Perfect shot.
Oh, yeah?
Okay, oh yeah, well what are you going to do now? Oh. I got your leg.